How to stop WhatsApp saving photos to gallery. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To stop WhatsApp saving photos to gallery directly, you need to launch WhatsApp app on your device. Log into your account. Now tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select Settings. Scroll down and locate the option Chats. Now here, under chat setting, you will get media visibility option which will show newly downloaded media in your device gallery. Simply toggle the button off. After a while, come back to the section and tap storage and data. And here, media auto download option is also available. You simply need to tap when using mobile data and on check mark for photos and tap OK button. Go to when connected to Wi-Fi and on check mark the photos again and tap OK. For when roaming also you do the same and tap OK button. Now once you do all of this step, you won't save your photos to gallery who have sent to WhatsApp. So in this way we stop WhatsApp saving photos to gallery. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.